If you feel like your bank balance disappears the moment your salary comes in, this video is for you. Today we'll break down the top 6 mistakes that quietly destroy your savings and how to fix each one with simple, real-life examples. Even if you earn a good income, these mistakes can keep you stuck in the same place for 5, 10, even 15 years. Promise, stay till the end and you'll have a clear 30-day action plan to plug the leaks and finally see your savings grow. Briefly define savings in simple words. Money you keep for your future self, not just what is left after random spending. Mistake number 1. No clear plan for your money. Key idea. If your money doesn't have a plan, it will find a way to disappear. Many people get their salary, pay some bills, then see what's left and call that savings. Without a written plan or budget, they underestimate small spends and overestimate how much they'll save. Example, income 40,000 rupees or $2,000. In their head, I'll easily save 10,000 rupees or $500. Reality, random food orders, subscriptions, cab rides, impulse shopping. By month end, maybe 2,000 rupees or $50 is left. Fix what to say. Introduce a simple rule like 50-30-20. 50% needs, rent, food, bills. 30% wants, eating out, shopping. 20% savings, investments. Ask viewers to spend 20 minutes after this video to write down, my income is needs, wants, savings, percentage. Pro tip, savings is first line in the plan, not last line. Encourage. Even if you start with 10% instead of 20%, that's fine. Discipline matters more than the percentage at the beginning. Mistake number 2. Treating savings as whatever is left. Key idea. Saving last never works. Saving first does. 1. Spend first, save what's left. 2. Save first, spend what's left. Most people do the first and wonder why their savings don't grow. Example, salary comes in on the 1st. Within first 10 days, rent, outings, EMIs, impulse buys. By the time they think of savings, there's barely anything to move. Fix, pay yourself first method, on salary day. Automatically move a fixed percentage, say 10 to 20%, into a separate savings or investment account. Treat that like a non-negotiable bill to your future self. Then spend from what remains in the main account. Simple story you can tell. Imagine your future self at 50 sits with you today. Would they tell you to buy another gadget or to send them some money so they can breathe easier? Paying yourself first is sending money to that future you. Give a tiny challenge. Next month, set up an auto transfer, even 1,000 rupees or $25 on salary day. Don't touch it. Just see how it feels. Mistake number 3. Lifestyle inflation. Upgrading everything with every raise. Key idea. Every time income rises, lifestyle rises equally or faster. So savings stay stuck. In simple language, new job or raise, new phone, bigger flat, more eating out. Instead of using the raise to increase savings rate, people increase spending rate. Example, old salary, 30,000, saving 3,000, 10%. New salary, 40,000, but rent plus food plus wants also jump. Savings becomes maybe 4,000 rupee. They feel richer, but savings rate is still low, 10%, while their responsibility and risk increased. Fix half raise rule. Whenever income rises, promise yourself 50% of the raise goes to higher savings investments. Only the remaining 50% can go to lifestyle upgrades. Example to explain. Raise 10,000. Add 5,000 to investments or SIP. Use 5,000 for better apartment, outings, etc. Over a 5-year career, this one habit can build a huge gap in wealth compared to someone who spends everything. A quick visual idea. Imagine 2 lines. One is your income, rising. The second is your savings. If they rise together, you're building freedom. If income goes up and savings stays flat, you're just decorating your cage. Mistake number 4. High interest debt eating your savings. Key idea. Credit card and personal loan interest can silently cancel out all your saving efforts. Simple explanation. Many people save in one account at 4 to 7% interest, but carry debt at 24 to 36% interest on cards or high-interest loans. In net terms, they are moving backwards, even if they feel proud of their savings balance. Example, savings account. 50,000 at 4% interest per year, approximately 2,000 interest. Credit card debt, 50,000 at approximately 30% interest, approximately 15,000 interest. Net effect, losing around 13,000 a year. Fix. Destroy expensive debt first. If interest on your debt is higher than what your savings earn, prioritize paying off debt, keeping a small emergency buffer. Use simple strategies. Debt snowball. Pay extra on the smallest debt first to gain motivation. Debt avalanche. Pay extra on the highest interest debt first for maximum math benefit. A relatable mini story. Think of high-interest debt as a small fire in your kitchen. Saving money while ignoring that fire is like pouring water in a glass while the house is burning. First, put out the fire. Mistake number 5. No emergency fund. One shock equals 0 savings. Key idea. Without an emergency fund, every crisis turns into debt or destroyed savings. Simple explanation. Emergency fund equals a safety net of 3 to 6 months of essential expenses kept in safe, liquid form. Savings account, short-term deposit. It is not for vacations, gadgets, or I felt like it. It's for job loss, medical expenses, urgent repairs. Example, monthly essential expenses. 25,000 rupees or $1,000. Goal emergency fund, 75,000 rupees to 150,000 or $3,000 to $6,000. Build slowly. Even 2,500 rupees or $50 per month goes there. What happens without it? One job loss or medical bill, credit card swipe, EMI, savings drop to 0 or negative. Make emergency fund the first big goal for your savings before aggressive investing. Automate a small amount monthly into a separate labeled account, emergency only. You sleep differently when you know you can survive 3 to 6 months even if income stops. Mistake number 6. Not tracking or reviewing your money. Key idea. What you don't track, you can't control. Simple explanation. Many people don't know how much they actually spent last month on food, subscriptions, online shopping, and small leaks. Over months and years, these small, invisible leaks destroy thousands in potential savings. Example, daily coffee, snacks, random online purchases equals 200 rupees per day. Over 30 days, rupees 6,000. Over 12 months, 72,000. Over 10 years, with simple interest or basic returns, that could have grown significantly. Fix. 10-minute weekly check-in. Once a week, spend 10 minutes to look at total spent this week, where it went, needs versus wants, what can be cut next week. Tools, Notes app, Excel, Google Sheets, or any basic tracking app. Simple system, 3 columns. Date, category, amount. At month end, total up categories, and decide 1 to 2 areas to reduce a little. Use a simple analogy. Pilots don't guess their fuel mid-flight. They check. Your money needs the same attention once a week. 30-day action plan for Savings Fix Challenge. Week 1. Awareness. Track every expense. No judging, just writing. Write your current income, debts, and rough savings. Identify which of the 6 mistakes you are making the most right now. Week 2. Plan and pay yourself first. Create a basic 50, 30, 20 or any simple budget. Set up auto transfer for savings on salary day. Even a small amount. Decide a realistic monthly saving target. For example, 10% of income. Week 3. Cut leaks and attack debt. Cancel or reduce 1 to 3 subscriptions or small habits that aren't worth it. Choose a debt strategy, snowball or avalanche, and start paying a little extra towards one debt. Week 4. Build your safety net. Open or label an emergency fund account. Move a small fixed amount into it. Decide your emergency fund goal, for example, 3 months of essential expenses, and write it where you see it daily. Most people think they have a savings problem, but what they really have is a habit problem. If you fix these 6 mistakes, your savings will grow almost automatically because you fixed the system around your money. Comment below which mistake hit you the hardest. No plan, lifestyle inflation, debt, or something else. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Management Mentor for more simple money lessons that actually fit real life.